Hello and welcome. So, new day, new LeetCode problem. We are continue from where we left off yesterday. We completed, well, I completed the array section. So now 9 out of 75. Yeah, this new section, the 2 pointers. So, as usual, I got my VS Code here, and I also have, if I can open that up, ChatGPT that I'm gonna use just, if I really get stuck and I need some extra help. Nonetheless, let's begin. Okay, move zeros. We're gonna move some zeros around. We'll see. We'll see. So first of all, we're gonna, where's the code? Okay. We could just do like this. It's not chars, it's nums, and oh yeah, it's gonna be an array. And we're ready. Okay. Let's look at the problem. Okay, given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Like what we are doing, well, you've only seen the previous one if you watched the video, but it's a recurring, thing that they let you do. So for example, example number 1, we got 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. And yeah, as expected, 1, 3, 12. You can almost like delete all the zeros at once, count them at the same time, and just push them. Like, you go through the array, it says there's 2 zeros. Yeah, but you're gonna, you cannot make, without making a copy. But can I create a new array? Oh, that stays 0. Could you minimize the total number of operations done? I'll try my best. Okay. I feel like I need a counter. Okay, what should I do? Move all the zeros to the end without making a copy of the array. So will I need, well, needing is a strong word, but is it okay if I delete the zeros? if I delete the zeros, like pop is just for the last one. The end of the array. Like in JavaScript methods, I don't know if it's not a replace method. Why object? What? What? Array. Array. In the end, I can almost do the same as the previous one. Like I can loop through the array. I always have the index. Like for example, I go through it. So index 0, index 1. Whenever I find a number which is greater than 0, so let's say I have 0, 0. So I have like 0, 0, 0, 1, 3. Okay. No, mosquitoes. I can just swap them in real time. Like I go through the array and I have the index. The index is taking care of letting me know whenever I find a number that is greater than 0. Then I have another index in parallel, which starts from 0, and every time I found a number that is greater than 0, I'll put that number to the index counter, and then index counter plus 1. And the index is going. The index is going, it's doing its stuff, right? While the other one is just doing 1 by 1 from the beginning. Right? So, for example, let's say I look through the array. I arrive here at 1. I find the 1, and this one is gonna become 1, 0, 0. Okay. The index was here, right? At 1. I don't know if you can Ah, there it is. We are here. Do I need a 0? Do I need to replace this with a 0? Probably. I replace it with a 0. I arrive here. This one becomes a 3, and this one becomes a 0. Right? Let's try it with this one. I think I'm onto something. The 0, 1, I find the 1. It becomes 1, and that 1 becomes a 0. Then I go 0, who cares? 3, okay. 3, this becomes a 3, this becomes a 0. I find the 12, this becomes a 12, this becomes a 0. Right? So, let's say replacing index equals 0. Then for let I equals 0. Well, the usual stuff. You know the drill. Length. Oh my god. Length. I is less none dot length I plus plus. What should I return? Let's in place without the end of it while maintaining. Okay. It doesn't say. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna have replacing plus plus somewhere. Then we're gonna have a nums this is gonna be equal to nums I if nums I is greater than 0. No. it's still a bit confusing to me what I should do at the beginning. For example, well, let's try to think about it. So if I have a 0, what am I gonna do with that 0? Well, I should do nothing. Well, like here, it's not gonna do anything. It's gonna skip over it. And this stays the same. If it's a, let's say is a 1. Oh, if it's a 1, 0, replacing, that's correct. That's already correct. Okay, return nums. Let's return the nums. Let's go here. Let's see. Okay, first of all, I need to change this one. Yes. No, not that one. Node LeetCode.js. Where am I? OneDrive, desktop. LeetCode study. LeetCode.js. Is that correct? Okay, sorry, I fixed it. I didn't remember that. I just needed to do CD. Anyway, we're here, and I already tried it, but we got a mistake because, we need to set up the current, nums I is equal to 0, right? Aha. No. Wait. Shouldn't do this. Okay. Where are the ones? Okay, if nums at 0, replacing index, it goes here. Okay, nums I, no, wait. What? Okay. We start from here. 1. Is it greater than 0? Yes. We go inside. Then this one becomes 0. It's okay. It's okay. Becomes a 0. Uh-huh. Okay, obviously I'm Oh, it's not that I'm rewriting. No. Wait a second. I'm here. Well, yeah, if it was a 0, you continue, and then you do your operations, okay? But if it's the same, you continue. If nums is equal to no, not nums, but just I. Is it like this? If the two are different, if it's the same, you shouldn't do anything. If they're different, you can do the operation. Right? Absolutely not. See, it was working. Now it's not working anymore. Let's go back to understand the problem better. Because this was working, right? This one. Why is it not working anymore? It's not working anymore. So if no...
Every core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
All right, we have the index and we have the replacing index. The replacing index only changes whenever we replace the index inside the array at the position of the replacing index. Okay, we go to the specific location and we do the operation. Okay, so if we are here, we do 1. this should always become 0. No? Should always become 0. Because I'm doing the operation. Oh yeah, I wanted to try with this one to understand. Because this is working. But something like this, it's always obviously not working. They become zeros. Why? Well, like I was trying to do, as I was trying to do before, is because the replacing index is the same as the index where I'm at. So if, we'll try again. So if I does not equal replacing index, in this case, we go inside because it's greater than 0. But they're also the same. They're also the same. So if they're the same, we don't do anything. We just replace the index, right? I mean, we need to. No? How do I know? But we always do that. No. Because what if it was like this? We got 1 0. It's irrelevant. Even 1 0. Just 1 0 here. Because we don't go inside. Because we don't go inside. And there it is. So when they're the same, we just need to increase this. That's all. The number stays the same, and we increase it because we're going forward. Only when it's greater than 0 and the two indexes are different, then we do the whole operation, right? Let's see. Let's try it out. Accepted. Case 1, case 2, yes. Submit. Wrong answer. -1. Expected -1, 1. Oh, interesting. But did it say anything about negative numbers? Maintain the relative order of the non-zero elements. You must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Okay. Yeah, what if it was -1 here? What's going to happen? It's not. It's basically giving me the same answer. No, wait. What am I saying? No, we got a -1, which becomes a 0. But it should have been like here, a -1. Why does a -1 what do we want? If it's -1, it stays -1. It stays -1 because it's a number. Equal. They're all zeros. No. No, not that. What am I getting? A 0. I'm getting a 0 if nums I is greater than 0. I have to do these old stuff So now I'm only checking if it's greater than 0. This is the problem. This is the only problem we're having. So I'm only doing positive numbers. I have positive numbers, negative numbers, and they're basically the same. What I'm worried about is just keeping track of when I'm finding the 0. So whenever it's not a 0, it's not equal to 0, then we do everything. Then we do everything, right? Let's see. Boom! And there you have it. Passed. That was a nice problem. But yeah, like I anticipated, I'm starting to see it more and more how to, well, you know, how there's clever ways to work with arrays without actually creating new arrays, creating new variables, but do everything in place, which is kind of nice, kind of cool. I actually like it. I actually like it. But yeah, there it is. So we're done with this one as well. Memory, okay. You know, doesn't matter too much. But yeah, we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna have, well, another easy one. There's only 4 in this 2 pointers section. Move zeros, and then the other 3. So I was here in the middle. Not from the beginning, but. So we'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye. Is it still recording?